Good afternoon. My name is Simran Darji of Standard 12C, and today we visited the Biotechnology Lab of Iit Kharagpur. It was an amazing and wonderful experience for us to see the two main types of techniques, basically the protein engineering and the viral engineering. In protein engineering, we learned how we are using the natural proteins and altering them and using them for our modern everyday day-to-day life. And we see in virus how we are using and what type of viruses are there, RNA virus, what is the genetic material and all. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ankan Das from class 12C. Today we visited Biotechnology and Bioscience Department of Iit Kharagpur. Before visiting Biotechnology Lab of Iit Kharagpur, we have studied most of the materials and experiments and techniques in our biotechnology and bioscience books. But seeing it from our eyes was a different experience. We have studied about bioreactors, and when we saw it for the first time, it was easy to learn and to see how it works. We have seen PCR, seeing it in real life was a different experience. We have used micropipettes, how it is different from normal pipettes. Thank you.
Right. I am C.S. Subramaniam of class 12C. Today we visited the Biotechnology Lab of Iit Kharagpur, and we were given a very good introduction to the concepts of biotechnology and how the laws that science is governed on governs them. So the first lab that we visited had a lot of machines. It was a huge laboratory having spectrometers, centrifuges, large, small, all kinds of voltometers. They gave us a very good introduction about laminar airflow, UV rays, and how they sterilize the cultures that they need to culture. And after that, we visited a lab which had autoclavers. And personally, I had no experience about autoclavers. So when I first heard about them and their technicalities, it was very interesting to me. I found autoclavers. There were many different types. And I remember he was talking something about continuous autoclaving, which was again very surprising. And after that, we crossed the immunology lab and everything, and then we went to the virology lab where we studied about some small aspects about viruses. And their lab was safety level 2, so we were allowed to only see, not touch. But they gave us a very good introduction about the pallets in which they work. After that, we were sent off, and there we are.